That salad was actually very filling, and I am not hungry anymore. Yes, my little Surrey. Now I'm just trying to take the rest of my vitamins. So many vitamins. So I've got green juice with a little açaí berry juice because I have to have a little bit of sweets. I'm trying to wean down on my sugar, which is so hard. Yes, it is, my little Surrey. It's hard. It's hard to take pills, too, with just green juice. And bitter. Sweeten it. Yeah. With a little açaí berry juice from Costco. Oh my God, it's going down the wrong pipe. Well. Struggling with, I hate pills. That's how I start my day. Trying not to choke. Oh gosh. Woke up early, cuddled with my feather babies. Yes, my little Surrey. Have some meetings today. What else? Phone calls to make. Messages to return. Do some house chores. Laundry is piling up. I slept well last night. I'm trying to get a full night's rest, at least 2 nights a week. Oh, I gotta figure out my sleep and work schedule. Working and staying up 24 hours is not good for me. It's not good. I have to figure this out.